Yo guys, what's happening? You join me from my studio. Alright, it's my car. Today's video is an unboxing video and I'm going to be unboxing the Becauseracecarbox. Now this month's box I'm sure will be very delightful. Now I haven't unboxed one of these before, but I've had a look at other monthly videos, so let's get on with it. First time I'm opening it, obviously, so I don't exactly know what to expect. Okay, so the first item is just the normal Becauseracecarbox. This month we've got a nice Focus RS. Oh, it's good that it's a Focus RS. We're in an ST. Good thing. Today it's just telling us what we've got in the car. I'm not gonna pay attention to that just yet. I think it tells you how to use everything as well. That is the smell of cleaning products. That is an absolute great smell. So we've got an emoji air freshener. That'll be going up in the car. We've got lemon and berry. Nice. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is nice. Alright, we've got that. And we've got a cloth of some sort. Nice cloth of some sort. Now let's get to the products. Yes, this is what we want to do. So we've got the Auto Glands Bubbleition Premium Carnauba Shampoo. Have a look. A nice colour. Now obviously I'll be doing like a little review of all these products as well. But it looks really nice. I've never really heard of Auto Glands before. But I like the packaging. And it seems to be quite a good consistency and stuff, so I'll be putting that in my car shampoo and we'll see what happens with it. Next up is the Gleam Freaks. Now I have heard of Gleam Freaks and I know that they do make really good products. Pronto Wax. Super fast, super sleek spray wax. Now normally when I use wax and stuff I use Auto Finesse's stuff. And obviously I'll be doing a little review on all the products that I use on different bits of the car as well for the channel. But yeah, Gleam Freaks, it's really, really good products, guys. I'll be doing a review of it, obviously, on it. But yeah, really good. Next product is Pharmaco Alpha Glass. Ultimate glass coating that provides long-lasting hydrophobic protection, superior rain repellents. Now, I haven't got no glass products. I did have some glass products for my Audi and stupidly I left them in the Audi, so I've never actually like cleaned the glass on this properly except for my dad's products that he uses, but I think they're just like normal Halford's products. So yeah, that's going to be really good, so I'll show you how this works at some point as well. Now we've got some black gloves and stuff just to stop your hands getting dry and crappy when you're using products and stuff. That's really good. Ooh, what's this? So much like... They pad these out really well. A Detail Master Microfiber Wash Mitt. I did have one of these, but because I started using it too much, it went all like crappy, so I'm really glad that they put something like this in. So if we have a look on the actual thing, on the card, it tells you exactly what the products are and how to use them and stuff. Really good instructions if you have a look at that, if you can see it without it going off focus. There you go. It tells you exactly how to use everything. It's really good. I'm really impressed actually. For $14.99, that is actually amazing how you get 3 bottles of, albeit quite small, 3 bottles of genuinely good products, and obviously I get extra content out for you. Oh my god, I look like an actual milk bottle. Holy Christ. This is why I wear colourful clothes and stuff, because then it gives me a little bit of colour then, and then if I get into the light without everything falling on the floor, look at that. I'm now darker. But I actually look like a milk bowl. Amazing. Right, I'll be putting these up as well, because my Deadly and Auto Glim ones are a bit past their use now, so they don't really smell much. And obviously the cloth as well. So yeah, I'll be keeping up my subscription and stuff. I'll be getting that every month, so I'll be uploading videos like this every month, and I'll show you what I've got and stuff. But yeah, thanks for Becauseracecarbox for sending it out so quickly. It was really good. So, on to the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Yeah, like, comment and subscribe. Peace.